My name is Rebecca. I'm a co-founder interior designer at Pivot Studio. I've tried many different brands over the years, but Dulux always provides accurate color and a beautiful finish. It also makes me feel nostalgic and think of the times I would paint the house with my grandparents. We would paint the living room, dining room, basically everything. So when I use Dulux now, it takes me back to those memories of warmth and happiness with my family. The right color and finish play a huge role in transforming the mood and atmosphere. For me, my home is a place where I can express myself and try out new looks before recommending them to my clients. Because I paint my walls so often, I need paint that goes on easily and smoothly. I actually think that was what initially sparked my love for designing spaces. As a professional, I promise my clients only the best. Dulux is a brand that I can always count on for my clients and myself.
Dulux, Dulux, Dulux.